What it do, Charles crew? It's your favorite mom, dear Ashley, and I'm coming at you with a special video today. I filmed a get ready with me Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I did my makeup, then keep watching. So I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids. I'm going in with the Tangerine color from the Watch Me Blush palette from the Crayon case. And I'm just gonna put that in as my transition color. All right, so now I'm going over the Tangerine color with the Cranberry color from the same palette. And I'm just gonna go on top of the Tangerine. Brush, 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 brush. So now getting more into my crease, I am using the Berries color from the same palette. And I'm putting that into my crease. Now, please note that majority of my brushes are brushes that I get from my Ipsy bag. So I have a large collection of those. So I don't know the names of all the brushes that I'm using. I believe this is one of those brushes that I got from my Ipsy bag, and it's probably one of my favorites. So at this point, I had pretty much already jacked up the primer that I was putting on my eyelids, attempting to do a cut crease, and I am trying to save it. Not doing a very good job at it, but hey, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. Now I'm packing the Pink Me from the CONTOURsition notebook from the Crayon case onto my eyelids. Alright, so I'm going back into my crease with the Berries eyeshadow from the Watch Me Blush palette. So now I'm going in with the colored pencil from the Crayon case in the color Black Rain. So next I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner from Araceli. I actually got it in my Ipsy bag. The color is Night. So now I'm going in with my Roller Lash mascara from Benefit. I'm going to apply that to my top lashes for now.
Oh, no, he didn't. Miss Peaches?
Now I am going to apply my eyelashes. They are from the brand Kiss. They actually come 2 pair in 1 pack, but they were a little thin for my liking, so I just doubled up the pair. Unfortunately, I kept forgetting that I was recording myself putting on the lashes, so I had to remind myself, get back in camera. So it was at this very moment that I realized how crusty my lips were. So I said, let me put some lip gloss on before I finish anything else. So I didn't record myself putting on primer, but all that shimmer stuff you see on my face is my primer. So now I'm going in with my foundation. It is from Juvia's place and it's in the color Lagos. I really like this foundation because you really don't need to use a lot. A little goes a long way with this foundation. I'm applying the foundation with my Real Techniques brush. Alright, so now I'm going in with my concealer. It's also from Juvia's place and it's in the number 10. So now I'm buffing out my concealer and I'm using that same Real Technique brush that I put my foundation on to blend everything out. So now I am applying some setting powder from Airspun. It's in the color Translucent. I'm just going to put that everywhere I put that concealer. Alright, so I am going into my brown loose powder and I'm dusting away the setting powder. Alright, so now I'm going to dip back over to my Watch Me Blush palette from the Crayon case. And I'm going to start to contour and I'm using the color Hot Cocoa. That's probably my favorite powder to contour with thus far. Alright, so now I'm going into the box of Crayon palette from the Crayon case and I'm using the brown color to contour my nose. I don't use the Hot Cocoa on my nose because it does have kind of like a red tint to it and it looks kind of funny on my nose. Alright, so I'm going to jump back to my Watch Me Blush palette. And I'm using the color Cranberry to add a little blush to my cheeks. As you can tell, Watch Me Blush is probably my favorite palette of all times. So now I'm going in with my highlighter. It's actually the same color that I used on my eyelid. It's the Pink Me from the CONTOURsition notebook from the Crayon case. And I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones. I've already put it on my nose and my Cupid's bow. I'm going to go back in with my color pencil from the Crayon case in the color Black Ring and put that on my waterline. And I'm using my Roller Lash mascara again to go back in my lower eyelashes. So now I'm going in with the Trophy Wife lip contour from Huda Beauty. And randomly found this in my makeup case. So now I'm going in with the liquid lipstick that I got from my Ipsy bag. It's from the brand Context and it's in the color Mad Love. I ended up changing the lipstick, as you can see from the picture in the beginning of the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you sticking through the entire video. If you'd like to see more videos of me doing makeup, or if you have any other suggestions for our channel, please leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos.